episode 2, trying to have a bit of fun, bit of cooking, obviously singing songs with what a great band. Oh, Pete, Lloyd, Victor, awesome. And episode 2 is beef cheeks with a salsa ending. And of course you'd have to put that on a hot mashed potato bed, wouldn't you? So here we go. The first thing of course would be the beef cheeks. When you start the beef cheeks, you probably want to dust them with flour. So this is a really cool way to do it. Just I put the beef cheeks with a bit of seasoning, and now chuck a bit of flour in, I think, yeah, and just put the bag like that, twist it around a bit, hold it like that, hand underneath, and it should be cool. Let's see. I'll open it out. Oh, look at that. Oh yes, perfect. Oh, there you have it, see? Nice, nice. Oh, so I'll put that there. Now all the different things that'll go with the beef cheeks. Recipe calls for a half a bottle of red wine, so I actually had to drink the other half first, so I could end up with a half bottle, right? We do the reducing of the red wine, and then of course, then you got your onions and your garlic and a bay leaf that's going to go into it. That's after we've browned the beef cheeks. But we're going to make up a beef stock and all these ingredients, and of course to do the salsa ending. So if you said 2 cups of parsley, maybe a cup of basil, and maybe like, you know, a small amount of mint, like a quarter of a cup, something like that. The good old trusty olive oil, we'll have to put some of that in, and probably what? We'll end up with probably 2 tablespoons, and of course a tablespoon of the red wine vinegar. Dijon mustard will go into that as well. Just about a tablespoon of capers. And that'll all go in the trusty little blender I've got. We'll see you over there. Okay, the first step was to reduce the half bottle of red wine, which I reduced by about a quarter. I've already done that now, so I'll just put this over here. And so back on, here we go. And here you go, the casserole dish. And I put 2 tablespoons of olive oil in there. So we're going to brown the beef cheeks. I'll make up the stock. This is a really great stock, Continental, wow. Spicy beef stock, it's awesome. So I need about 4 cups of stock, so I don't know why, but they like the water to be warm, so it's warm. What about Northcote's playing, isn't he awesome? And Lloyd, whoa, and Victor Round, the legend bass player, wow, so good. I reckon that's probably hot enough now, so there we go, see if it works. That's better, yeah. Okay, so we're browning. Yeah, that's good. We're going to sing a few more songs for you, so.
I'll send you all my love, every single step I take, I'll take from you. Josephine, I'll send you all my love. Josephine, I'll send you all my love. Take for you. send you all my love. Josephine, I send you all my love. Yeah, Josephine, I send you all my love. Josephine, I send you all my love.
Looks like they're browned enough. They look pretty nice. Whoa, put them there. Look, oh, yes. Put it there. Here we go. We got, some say don't put the garlic in straight away, but I like to put them both together. So here we go. Here we go. I like the red onions. It just looks better. Not too much oil on there. It's good. Don't want it too oily, eh? I'm going to put these back in. Beef chicks back in. Yeah, they look good. Whoa, man. Alright. Okay. Pour in the stock. I like to put more water in because it's probably a good idea to cover the beef cheeks. Red wine. It's going to be in the oven for 3 hours, so a little bit more water just to cover it up. That's it. Beautiful. A couple of bay leaves. Forgot to put the salt and pepper in, but we'll do that now. A bit of pepper. Cool. Put the cover on. Oven door. There we go. Okay, now that's going to be in there, yeah, for 3 hours at 170. Okay, so that's that part done. Okay, here we go with the salsa ending. I've already put all the parsley and basil and mint in there into this little food blender. And the next one is the red wine vinegar, which I will enter. And Dijon mustard. And just a tablespoon of capers. Love capers. Oh man, these are the best. Put those in. And top on. Now this will need a bit of oil, but it's got one of those little dishes with the hole in the top, so it'll just feed the oil in as we blend it. So let's have a look now. So look at that. Woohoo! The beef cheeks are ready. I've already done the mash. I couldn't bore you any longer, so I just made a little potato bed on each one. Just mash, beautiful. Okay. Now we're going to put all the sauce from cooking in the oven and the casserole. We're just going to take that out and pour that over the top. Now, piece resistance is the gorgeous salsa. I'll put a bit on the top. Like that. That's it. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay, well that's it. Like I said, I'm no chef, but I love cooking and I hope you do too. So thanks a lot, and hopefully we'll see you next week.